stuff is so heavy that I'm trying to take some of the dirt out so we can roll it to the driveway for the garbage people to pick it up. But it's so heavy that I gotta remove some of the dirt.
Well, you took out about 20 pounds, I guess, or more, huh?
Yeah, it's not heavy anymore. I can easily roll it.
That was great.
I think I'll go this way.
No, no. It's a long way around. You can't go that, that way. You're going to have to go in her driveway and around, okay? Looks like somebody's cleaning out the room over there. Yeah! You're my dog. That's my dog.
Ah,
Huh?
that smells good. Whew. Teamwork, guys. Teamwork. Oh, goodness. Wow. Finally, that one's done. Now we just need to fix the pipe and the hole. Oh well. Just turn on the water sprinkler and there is a leak. And the big pipe on this one. Big leak. Now we gotta clean them out. Other one seems okay. Big pipe is not leaking. But this one, big mess. Now I gotta clean it out. Take all the water out. Side of the pipe got busted. Right there. Right there. And right there. So I need to replace this pipe.
I don't know how to release it.
Oh, you can't
Once it's under tension.
Oh, really? Sure.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thing about it is, I don't want it to crack and split all the way up to here.
That's
you know?
what I was worried. And you might put a dent on the other one. There.
Yes, darling. One thing I can do is to go in there and try to find my little hacksaw with not the big one, one with just a little blade,
and do like
and
that.
saw it on
Right.
this side, you know.
Right.
Just sort of taking a chance on that popping and cracking because it's already cracked.
Yes.
And one thing, it's old. It's been in the ground for a long time.
Right.
The new one I may be able to use these on. I used a hacksaw at the Home Depot because that's all they had.
Oh, okay.
They make a little hacksaw that doesn't have all that, just has the blade that sticks out.
Yes.
I don't know if I have one or not. Maybe.
Yeah.
You're probably going to have to kind of get, you know, but you're going to have to keep it straight.
I'm trying, love.
I know. It's not easy.
I'm trying, yes. Maybe I'll start cutting.
No, put it back in the same hole, darling, and go from there.
It's kind of curved.
I
A
know.
little bit because I think the.
I understand, darling.
Okay.
Put it back in the same hole. Once we get one cut, get some out of the way, we got enough to cut again. We have to dig out 3 more feet.
Sit down.
Just make sure you don't cut the pipe behind you.
Yes.
That's all. It's going to take a while. You just those short strokes as much as you can, you know. You can't get much of a stroke, but eventually. Gonna have to go down a little. because you have to catch this. What do you think, Pooh Head?
Well, yeah, it's leaking a little. It's leaking a little down. It's the same place.
Where is it coming out from?
It's the same place behind it.
I know, but it's from the top or the bottom?
Both. Look, you could see the pipe. That pipe that you put in is a little bit. It's a little bit hole in. It's a little bit thing in there. It's not straight.
I see.
You know what I mean?
Like
You
it's
have to-
split, yeah.
It's split on it.
It's like the hose split.
Yeah.
Alright. But the bottom part's not coming out, is it? The lower part?
Yeah, there is water coming up.
I think what's happened is it's gotten so large that it's worn out, you know?
Yeah.
Settle to the bottom. Hold on. God, I can't see up in there.
It's
Huh?
good, Doug. It's good. It's good.
Knock it on.
Huh?
Don't look like glue I used before. Put it back so it doesn't get glued to that. Goes on the other piece of the pipe, like this. And it fits up flush with that.
Okay.
And then that comes down and screws them together. Understand?
Yeah. Okay.
This goes up against that. And that big thing goes on there, keeps them together, like that. And all this ring and all this soap here is supposed to keep it from leaking, you know?
Okay.
Okay. Put it back in here,
Okay.
please. You got it?
Mhm.
Okay, that's 26 3/4 to the edge of that, and I need to add, I think 28 inches. Maybe just a little shy of 28 inches.
Hold on.
Tap,
It's too long, the other one.
tap, push it, please.
Too long.
Push it.
It's too
Don't let
long.
it go in.
It's too long. It's here. It's too
It's
long.
going to work once it goes in.
Okay, I'll try to put it in. It's still too long.
Oh. You see? It's got to go in that far.
Yes, I understand that.
Tap. Get the hammer, the rubber hammer. Tap on this end.
Oh, shit.
It's not going in. Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's too thick, the top part? It's too thick?
It can't be, because I had the damn thing on it before, Don. You see?
Might be a bit too long. I think it's gonna be too long. I need to cut this much right here.
Yeah. But I don't know why it won't go in the damn coupling.
Because it's too much. That'll take a long time.
No, I just did just the valve, you know, just 4 or 5 minutes on the front. And then it'll change to this one, then it'll go to the back. That one's come on over there.
Yeah, but it's taking a long time.
No, it's not, Don.
Okay, down. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh my God, love. Off, love. Off. Not working, love.
That's the one.
And here it's okay. But here, nope, no good. One side is good. I think that thing is. That's why I thought, why can't we just put something like that?
It's
No?
difficult.
No?
So that one didn't hold, did it?
Nope. Here it's fine. That one is good. That one, maybe it's not in the right. I don't know. There was a lot of water coming out.
Yeah. What happened over here?
That one is okay. I didn't see anything.
Where does the sprinkler come up over here?
Right there. Right here.
I'm not sure if the hose leaked or the water.
No, the sprinkler here come
Okay.
out. I didn't really get a good look at it.
I know, I didn't look at it either.
But it's here, the sprinkler. I don't think it was anything. I think it was okay. I wasn't sure really
Yeah.
because that one I was focused on that one.
Well, it looks like it's okay.
It looks okay.
It came out.
Yeah. Came out water everywhere on that thing. That one was good.
Okay, that's where it needs to be cut.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, mark it at 7.
7.
7. Much better, huh? When you can use it.
It works with that one because I guess it's not as thick as the other one.
No, it's an older pipe, and it's a different schedule.
Yeah.
Some is schedule 90. I guess this is schedule 40 PSI. This is in your pipe, so
Yeah.
that's just the way the cookie crumbles. So I'm going to slide this one on here. So I need to start somewhere up here with this other piece, because it's going to be long. So that one's going to end up there. Ah, God, let me figure out what I'm doing. Okay. If I go, I don't want to get it into that coupler.
Yeah, you don't want to get too close here because it's tighter here.
Yes, got it. Let's see. Just gotta go in there. Some needs to be from there to here, which will be this piece. So I need to cut this piece off somewhere in there. I don't like the way it warps it.
Yeah, I don't either.
Like that, egg shapes it, you know?
Yeah.
I need
It,
a channel lock to kind of squeeze it. You know what I mean?
it's okay, I'll come back, I think.
You don't understand. If it's up in there and you go to try to put a coupling on, you know, it'll have an open space, maybe. Will you go around there and bring me a...
Where do you want me to clean it?
What, baby?
Around it? How do you want me to clean it?
Yes, son. Look, about this much. And then all around it, on top, bottom, everything, and then...
I didn't do it.
Oh!
What are you talking about? I didn't do it.
Poppy for everything.
I didn't do it. You did it. You're the one who wanted to dig.
Well, it was already broke. Open.
No, darling.
Well, it was cut with a hacksaw. It
Uh-uh.
was cut with that
No,
jigsaw
darling.
I had. The 3/4 pipe was cut.
You
Leaking.
cut it because you wanted to dig. But there was no leaking before you start digging. Uh-huh.
All right.
Yes, darling.
That was your way. You
I,
think I have Alzheimer's? I know. I know.
yeah, darling, you
You
did it.
think you're tricking me like that? Like, Bobby
Did it,
don't
Don.
know. He got Alzheimer's. So
Uh-huh.
I didn't tell him anything. He'll believe it.
Uh-huh.
Bobby
wanted to dig. But Bobby fixed it. After 1 month. After 1 month of trying so many times.
It's a work in progress, huh?
It's a work in progress. It's a good work in progress, darling.
I don't have any endurance.
Yeah, darling. We work a lot. We work a lot, darling.
I just want to do is leave all the problems here and go start somewhere else fresh.
No, darling. If we don't start digging down, there is no problem.
I thought I was going to China. I was digging so deep, darling. I thought I heard Chinese coming out from underneath there. It was Australian or Chinese. It might have been the Filipino talking.
Yeah,
That's
probably.
probably what it was.
Probably.
Some Filipino in there talking about the rooster crowing.